how to get ready for a photo shoot. In today's video, I'll talk about body care, clothing, what or who to bring with you, and how you can help photographer to get the best results. Hi, my name is Zdenka and I'm a former model. Currently a professional photographer. You know you are doing the shoot you've been always planning on doing for a while, so you want to look the best to get the best. Do a quick check head to toe. How is your hair? Do you need to shave anywhere? How are your nails? A lot of people forget about the nails part. Unfortunately, old peeling off nail polish or even chipped nails are very difficult to retouch. If you are doing your own makeup and hair, this doesn't apply to you. If you are getting professional makeup and hair done at the shoot, please wash your hair 24 to 48 hours prior to shoot, blow dry it and style as usually. It's very difficult to work with freshly washed hair or even still wet hair. Wear no makeup, but moisturize your face really well before you go. If you are bringing your own wardrobe, please make sure it's washed, steamed or ironed. What is the worst is amazing model, great makeup and hair, awesome scene, and your outfit is full of cat's hair or wrinkled all over. This is hard to retouch too. Spend the extra time preparing your outfit. If you don't have a suit cover or bag, simply hang it on a hanger, grab a large garbage bag and throw it over the clothing. I do have a steamer in the studio in the worst case scenario, and other photographers might as well, but it takes time to do it. Make sure you bring matching shoes and accessories in case you want them in the shots. For shoes, please wash the bottom, or if you know they are leaving marks, tape them. Nothing is worse than shooting on white background, leaving muddy marks, so the photographer has to cut up the paper and then it goes. And if you are not sure what outfits to bring more. We'll simply go through it together. First of all, try to get a good night's sleep. I know that sometimes it is impossible. You get excited or really nervous. I am the same way. There are nights I just keep staring into the ceiling. Speaking of time, try to come on time. When I say try, I mean please come on time. When the photographer books a time slot for you, especially if makeup artist is required, the time booked is to ensure you're relaxed, you get enough time and attention to get the results. Makeup artists usually book few jobs during the day, which is common these days, and so if they say they have to leave, they will leave. I don't mind at all if you bring friend, boyfriend or girlfriend or family member to a shoot. The only thing I ask, please don't bring the whole family though. The more people, the more pressure for you. You want to be relaxed and possible and to concentrate. The guest can watch me what I'm doing, so I have the guest sitting around the corner. I want full attention from model, so I need her or him to concentrate on what I'm saying. The more focus I get from the model, the better results will be. This advice is not for models hired to do job, as usually photographer or client will have vision what to shoot. This is mainly for models which hired a photographer to do a shoot. Everyone has different vision. Some people express it greatly, others not. When someone wants to send me or show me a samples of what they want, I look at the overall feel, I look at the overall result of what type of photos they like. Please don't expect to show up with Pinterest or Instagram photos and say I exactly want to copy this. Every photographer has different style, different lighting technique. You might not look good in particular pose, but you might look better in a very similar one. Pinterest and Instagram is full of best photos chosen from hundreds, if not thousands of photos. Use it as a general guide. If you leave creativity up to photographer, you might be pleasantly surprised that he or she can come up with even better photos. All you need to do is to give photographer the overall result feel. If you give me free hands, I can do magic. If you tie me up, I'll get you okay results, Pinterest copies, but you will not get the uniqueness I'm known for. Before the shoot, eat. I am serious. Models fear in the morning that they will have bloated belly. I was one of them. To be honest, it is all in your head. When the model tells me she has bloated belly, I'm usually like, where? What is worse? To come hungry, throughout the shoot get even hungrier, irritated. Your face will get white as a ghost and you will get tired eyes. So come fed well to a shoot. Fitness models always bring their food in containers and I think they eat about every 2 hours or so. And I gladly warm it up for them. Most of the studios provide coffee, water, tea, juice and other stuff. However, if you know you get hungry often, bring snacks or food. I know how I get when I get hungry. So that's it for today's video, how to get ready for a photo shoot. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to check out my other videos, such as how to build a modeling portfolio or how to choose a modeling agency. All videos are linked below in the video description. Feel free to like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below in case you have any questions or would like to see a video on a certain topic. I would actually love to hear from you what photo shoots you are getting ready for, so comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ahoj.